It is day 5 on the Wetland filter build at the Frederik Meijer Gardens, and we're looking good. We got the 2 to 3 inch gravel in, and today is really about just kicking some butt and getting in the 1 to 2 inch gravel and the 1 inch minus gravel. So we're going to be doing that today. The goal today is to get all machine work done. So once we get that last bit of gravel in, I'm going to sneak out with that excavator, put a bunch of plywood down, sneak out back onto the wetland filter, and then set the rocks, the big rocks that we have, like right here. So definitely those aren't going to be put in by hand. So that's the plan today. We're going to be doing plumbing and seaming today as well. So a lot on the schedule. Looking forward to getting this project done. Filter had to do that in order to get some of these big rocks set, and now we got to get out of here. So we basically set down plywood on the gravel here, added a bunch of soil over the top of the liner, and got some plywood down so that I can head on out, and then I'll finish setting in here after we excavate out the topsoil that we laid down. So we are getting down to the nitty-gritty here on the Frederik Meijer Garden Koi Pond wetland filter renovation. You can see behind me the wetland filter. There's Bill and Luke working on it. We just plugged in the pump, so we are waiting on the water level to rise up and then kind of spread the gravel, using the water level to kind of see where level is. So we'll take a look and see what this waterfall looks like once that gets going. I'm in the AWM van, and we have our canisters of waterfall foam in here with the van running because it is quite cold out, and the waterfall foam kind of turns to, it gets all kind of crispy, and yeah, it doesn't work as well in cold temperatures. So we are trying to warm them up so we can get them get the waterfall foaming done. We did have them in our heat tent, but we had such winds the other day that we had to take the heat tent down, and actually the winds did a little bit of damage to our heat tent. So this is the alternative. We're starting to get water coming through the spillways here, and we're gonna see what this waterfall looks like. Got a little bit of a trickle underneath it already. Waterfall foaming is not perfect. Here it comes. I'm just hoping I am gonna be high and dry here. gonna really start coming here. Just keep picking up steam more and more. Yeah, now here it comes. Does have a pretty big wetland filter to fill up first. So the part of the waterfall that we did is basically from here on back. Everything right here was left alone. Taking a minute for this to fill up. You can see how it's a constant roll here. So we're about an hour since we started up the wetland, and you know, we did have some cloudiness form in the this area of the pond, but as you can see, that has cleared up remarkably fast. I mean, we're talking this is like I said, a little over an hour ago, and the wetland taking in all that water and dropping that sediment out has really cleared up the water nicely. Well, we are wrapping up with the Frederik Meijer Garden wetland filter renovation, and just think it looks amazing. We had the horticulturist out here, and they just loved it. They were really excited about how it looked, especially about how we hid our snorkels, and yeah, so just really enjoyed being on this job and taking care of this koi pond for Frederik Meijer Gardens. There it is. If you liked this video, please like it and share it, and we'll see you in the next video.